Hi there, Dawn Marie Nesbitt here, and in this video I want to show you how you can set up a capture page with the PowerLead system. Now, if you have been watching my videos, you would understand why it is necessary before you start promoting any type of offer on the internet that you set up a capture page. The reason why you want a capture page is so that you can capture your leads. You need leads in any type of business. So if it's an affiliate offer, whether it's a network marketing company, or you have an offline business and you want to bring it online, you need a capture page to collect those leads, and then you can send those leads onto your offer page. So this video is going to show you how to set up a basic capture page. Of course, you can customize the capture page however you want it. So if you wanted to promote a weight loss offer, if you wanted to promote real estate, insurance, a business, a travel business, any type of business. If you want to promote any type of business, you can customize that capture page to the business that you want to promote. Now, you do need the PowerLead system in order to create these capture pages. The PowerLead system gives you unlimited capture pages and unlimited domains for $53.97 a month. You do need to purchase a domain with the PowerLead system, or if you already have your own domain with GoDaddy or Namecheap or whomever, you can transfer it into the PowerLead system. So once you have the PowerLead system set up, this is what it's going to look like here. The Lead Lightning basic membership does not give you these abilities to create capture pages. So if you want to get the full use of the the Lead Lightning, I would recommend upgrading to the Gold membership, which is the PowerLead system. So once you've upgraded to the Gold membership PowerLead system, what we are going to do is we're going to go to websites. Then we're going to scroll down to web pages, and we are going to copy web pages. The reason why we are copying our web page is because there are already templates that we can select, and we can then customize or edit that template to suit the type of business that we are going to promote. Okay, so you will scroll down and you will use any template that you want. So you can simply click on the template like that to see what it looks like. And if you think that it is going to suit your business, or if it's something that you like, you can go right ahead and use that one. So this is what that template looks like. Well, it's a video template, and I do not want a video template. So no, I do not want that one. So I'm going to come out of there, and I'm going to keep scrolling until I find just a simple one. So I think I'm going to go with this one. This one looks simple enough. Let's just see what it looks like. Now, you want your capture pages to be as simple as possible. So as you can see, there's a background picture, there's text here, and it has some fields for your leads to enter their first name and their email and get instant access. So let's go with that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of these buttons. If you want the lead to enter their name and email, then you can select that. If you want the lead to enter just their email only, you can select that. If you want them to enter their name, email, and phone number, then you can select that. Now, I like to personalize my email, so I always want to get my lead's first name. So I'm going to select the first one, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down and make me a copy. Now, again, remember, you do not have to select the template that I use. You can select any template that you want. Just simply go through the templates and pick whichever one you want. But I want something simple, so I have selected one that is simple, and I'm going to press make me a copy. Okay, it's going to take me to the next page where I'm just going to have to edit a few basic details for this capture page. What I'm going to name it here, title of this web page, this is only for my reference. So you want to name your capture page after something that you can easily identify. Now, in my business, my niche is the Make Money Online niche. Whichever niche you are in, you can You can title the capture page however you want it. Again, it is only for your reference. No one is going to see this title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put example, because this is just purely an example. I'm going to remove the date because I don't want that there. And then the title of the web page, this is what your visitors are going to see. And the title is just basically what you see up here. So as you can see, these web pages are all titled, so you can see what they are, and that is what your lead or your visitor is going to see. So you want to make sure that you are titling your capture page appropriately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to title this capture page how I learned to generate 10K monthly commissions. So that's going to be my title. And because it's the first page that your lead is going to see, and you want to place a link on the internet so your lead can click on that link, I'm going to select the third option here. I want to use a new address with my existing domain. And what that is going to do is that is going to create a subdomain. Now, the reason why you want to create a subdomain, when you get the Powerlead system, they are going to ask whether you want to buy a domain. Now, the domain which is wealthofriches.com in my case, it's going to be linked to the Lead Lightning basic capture page that the company has created for me. So I don't want to use this domain. I want to create another domain. So I'm going to create here by adding any word in here which is going to create for me another domain. So in this case, because it's just an example, I'm going to put example.wealthofriches.com. So once my capture page is created, that is going to be the domain that I will share with my leads. So I will simply give them this address, example.wealthofriches.com, and it's going to come to the capture page that I have created. In step 3, what I want to do is I want to select an autoresponder. So basically, when your lead has opted into your capture page, you want to send them a series of emails to follow up. So they may not buy from you in the first go. What you want to be doing is following up with them to remind them why they opted into your capture page and to offer to them whichever offer you are promoting. So because I am promoting the Powerlead system Lead Lightning, I am going to send them to one of the campaigns in here. Now, if you have your own primary business, you may want to send them an email campaign that you have already created. And you can create your own campaigns just by going email, voice, text, then email, then it should have create campaign, but I'm not seeing add campaign, sorry. So that is where you will create your own campaigns, your own email campaigns for whichever company you are in. You will have to actually write those campaigns yourself, or you can actually view and edit the campaigns that are already within the Powerlead system and make them your own. But I'm not going to do that. I am going to use one of the campaigns that are already within the Powerlead system just because it's a demonstration. So I am going to select the first one. Again, this is just a demonstration. It does not mean that you have to select this, but there are many email campaigns within here. So you can either create your own or you can select whichever campaign. So it's either between this or this, which is it will promote Lead Lightning, or you can promote Lead Lightning and whichever primary company you have, as long as you have entered those details where they are to be entered within the Powerlead system. But that's another video. So I'm going to select this campaign here, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to step 4, and in step 4, where do I want to send my lead to after they have opted in? Now, if you have your own primary business, you can select one of these here. So for example, you would have set up your primary business or the companies that you promote. So you enter the companies you promote just by going to account, then my business, then companies I promote. And when you go onto companies I promote, you will be able to enter the links for the companies that you promote. Once you have done that, it's going to come up here. So all the links of the companies that you promote. So you can see here, these are all my links. I can now select whichever company I want to promote. So with this here, I'm going to promote the 4% group. So when the lead opts in, it's going to go directly to the 4% group page, the 4% group sales page. Okay, you can enter search engine optimization if you want to, or keywords. Actually, let me just go back quickly to here. Now, the first one, your main company specific URL on file. This one is actually in your referral links, in referral links B. So if you go to account, my business, and referral links, you can actually enter that primary business under referral link B. Okay. Now, if it's so, that's for the first one. Companies that you promote, I showed you where you can enter those companies. So if whatever your business is, this is another place that you can enter your company link by going to account, then my business, then companies I promote. Okay, so you can either do referral links or companies I promote. Then you can direct them, or you can direct them to the default sales page. The default sales page is going to be a lead lightning default sales page. You can direct them to a page in your website. So if you have already created many pages, and I have created tons of pages within the PowerLead system, or the PowerLead system has its own web pages, so they have their own sales page. So you can send your lead directly to, if you want to promote the PowerLead system and you do not have a primary business, you can direct them to the PowerLead system sales page or the lead lightning sales page, which is here. So you can either choose sales page 1 or sales page 2. Or if you just simply want to enter your website details here, you can do that as well. But for this video, I have already entered the 4% group link, so I'm just going to put the corporate URL here. Moving on to step 5, this is simply for search engine optimization. You do not need to complete this, but if you want your capture page to be ranked on Google, then you can simply enter a description for your page and some keywords. But I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to click on Save Changes to Web Page. Okay, so I'm going to select my background. I am going to keep the background as is, but you may want to select whichever background you want. So you select whichever background that is appropriate to your business. For example, if you are in Organo Gold, you can use the coffee background. If you are in, here's another coffee one. If you are in any Make Money Online, you can use that one. If, for example, you are in a weight loss niche, then you would need to select an image from Google and then place that Google image within the PowerLead system, which I will show you how to do that. But for this video, I'm simply going to keep the current background and I'm just going to click on select. Well, click to keep. And then this is where I will edit my text. Now, you want to edit your text so that you can create whichever content you want. Now, when I first entered the title of my web page, I said how I learned to generate 10K commissions online. So I'm going to put that here as well. So I can just make it congruent. So I'm going to say how I learned to generate 10K commissions per month. Okay, then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this "We're Changing Lives" as is. Enter your name and email. I am going enter your name and email to get your free 0 to 6 figures blueprint. Yep. I can leave that as is, because what I'm going to do is, attached to this capture page, I'm going to take my leads through a sales funnel. So this is appropriate for that sales funnel. Actually, what I probably will do, enter your name and email to get your free step-by-step blueprint to earn a solid income online. Right, so enter your name and email to get your free step-by-step blueprint to earn a solid income online. Okay, so that's what I'm going to leave there. Now, again, remember, you can customize this, your capture page to whatever you want. So if you're in the weight loss niche, you might want to put learn how I lost 30 pounds within 2 weeks, and you can do the same. If you are in insurance, you might want to say something about get an insurance quote now for whatever, but you want to make sure that whatever you say arouses curiosity, so that the lead definitely wants to put their email address and name in there. So it's kind of like a bribe. You are bribing the lead to give you their contact details in exchange for something. So here, anybody would want, well, not anybody, but if I am promoting an offer to the Make Money Online niche, they would want to know, how did I generate 10K commissions per month? So if I can teach them how to do that, then some people will be willing to enter their name and email. So make sure that this text here is kind of like you're trading something for your lead's contact information, and make sure that it arouses curiosity, it builds up some sort of excitement, some sort of longingness to find out what is behind the next page. If you are not sure what type of headlines to put on your capture page, I'm pretty sure that Google has tons of information or tons of headlines that you can actually use. So what you can do is you can go to Google and you can type in maybe best, let's see, maybe best subject lines for lead capture pages, and then let's say it's in the weight loss, and let's see what they come up with. 164 best email lead capture pages. We're looking for best lead capture. Actually, I'm going to put best headlines. Headlines for lead capture pages, weight loss. Let's see. 5 landing page headline formulas you can test today. 13 weight loss landing page templates and examples. So the internet is full of information. All you need to do is know how to use it. So you can simply Google best headlines for lead capture pages and whatever niche you are in, and find a headline that you like, that you can put on your landing page. That's how simple it is. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm going to click save changes and move to next step, and you will see that that is pretty much it. It's that simple to create a capture page. So if I click on view your web page, what's going to happen, you can see the email address that I put in there. This is the email address that, sorry, not email, this is the website address that you want to give to any advertising platform. So if you're using Udemy, MLM Leads, if you're on Facebook, if you're using Google, if you're using Yahoo advertising, this is the website that you want to give, so that when your lead clicks on this link, they're going to get to this capture page. They're going to enter their name, their email, and then when they click get access, So I'm just going to do a test. When they enter their details, it's then going to take them to the next page. Well, I asked for a bot checker, so all of this is doing is checking that I am human. And then it's going to take me to, remember I set mine up for the 4% group, so it's going to take me to the 4% sales page where they will get more information about that product, and if they are interested, they will then join with me on the 4%. So you see, it takes me to the 4%. So that's how simple it is to set up a lead capture page. I'm going to go that over really quickly with you, or if you want, you can simply go back, rewind this video and look over it again. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to copy the web page, select the template that you want. You then want to enter the basic details in here, enter your title, what the visitor is going to see. Yes, you are going to create a subdomain, so enter whichever word you want inside there. Make it appropriate for your business. Then you select whichever email campaign you want to send your lead to. So what's going to happen is the lead is going to receive a particular email campaign, whichever you design, whether it's for your business or whether one that you have already selected from the PowerLead system. And then where do you want to send your lead to after? I opted to send my lead to the 4% group. If you want to send your lead to whichever business that you want, you need to make sure that you set those links up here by going to account, my business, either in referral links or companies I promote. So at least when you come to step 4, that link is going to be present here, or it's going to be available here in the drop down, or you can simply add the link here. Then you click Save Changes. It's going to ask you whether you want to have a different background or use one of the backgrounds that the PowerLead system have. I was supposed to actually show you how to enter your own background. So let's say, for example, you have selected a background image from Google, which is related to your own business. So let's say you're in the real estate niche and you want a background that has houses on it. What you would do is you would click on Source. You would get the link for the actual image. So, for example, if it is, hold on a minute. I think, I'm just thinking for a second here how you're going to do that. Hold on. I believe what you would need to do is you would need to, let's see if I can add an image here. Image info, browse. So if I go to browse server, and then I'm going to go to my library, and then I'm going to upload an image, choose file. I'm going to select one of the images that I already have. Let's say I want to add, I'm going to add this image. Well, no. Okay, let's say I add this image, beach waves. Going to press open. Going to upload selected file. Okay, I'm going to right click on that. I am going to download view. Okay, it has, I have a link here, so I'm going to select this. I believe that's, yeah. Okay, I'm going to select that. Actually, let's select the entire thing. Copy. I'm going to X out of that. I'm going to X out of that. I'm going to cancel that. What I'm going to do is going to go back to source. Then I'm going to come down here where it says Right, I believe it is this one here, because BG is for background. I'm just going to select this entire thing, and I'm going to paste the link. Then I'm going to just go back there, and there's your background. Okay, so that's how you would change the background. Okay, so I'll do that again for you. So what you would do is you will go to whichever image that you have. If you are selecting an image from Google, you want to save that image onto your computer. You would click on the image icon. You then want to click on Browse Server. You want to go to My Library. You want to click Upload. You want to choose the file. You want to select whichever image you want. So I'm going to go with another image. Let's say I go with this one. You press Open. You press Upload Selected File. The file size is too big. Okay, so we're going to select a different one. Let's go with this one. Open. Upload selected file. It has been renamed. Okay, that's fine. Here it is. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go on View. It's going to open a different box. I'm then going to copy this entire link here. This entire link, I'm going to copy it. So right click, copy. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close that. Cancel this. Then I'm going to go into source. Then I'm going to go here. So you search for BG. Okay, so it's not going to be too far on the source code page. You're going to look for BG and you want to make sure that you are selecting this properly because you do not want to break this code. So look for BG, which means background, IMGALT. And what you're going to do is you're going to select this entire website link like that, the entire thing where it ends at JPG. So you only want the content that's in between the quotation marks. You don't want the quotation marks. You only want the content that is in between the quotation marks. And I'm simply going to right click and paste. Okay, so it has pasted the link for the other image, and that's it. And I simply press source and I would have the new image here. And then what I would do is click on Save Changes, move to the next step, and that is it. That is how you create a capture page. So when I click on View Capture Page, I'm going to see my image in my background. Okay, so that is how you create a capture page. And then what you would want to do is you can now promote this link anywhere on the internet. Just make sure that your funnel is set up properly and you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching my video. Any questions? Contact details will be in the description box below. You would also, if you do want to join me with the PowerLead system, it's a great system for creating capture pages. The link is also in the description box below. If you want to use it to make money to income commissions, you can also use the PowerLead system for that. And there is a link in the description box below. If you join with me, I will show you the tips and strategies that I am using to become successful, and I will join you to my free coaching group. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. I do try to make videos available every single day to help you in your online marketing journey. Thank you for joining and watching my video all the way, and I'll see you in the next one.